Today we're going to talk about our collaging. First, I did a couple of sketches trying to figure out how I wanted to do that. I think I figured out I'm going to stick with this one. So then I gathered all of the colors and I did some cutting. Okay, I used some of the techniques that we talked about. I used layering, so you can see how the stars are layered. And I also did cutting multiples from paper so that I would get the same shape with less cutting. So now that I have this laid out, it's time to start putting it together. When I start to glue, you want to start with the back. For the sun here, I need to actually take this part off and do the triangles first. I'm going to take this off for now. I do have some extra triangles just in case it doesn't quite line up exactly how I had it laid out. I also tried to help myself out and drew a very light pencil line. I have a general idea of where I want those triangles to go, so the ends are covered up when I put that circle on top for the sun. The other thing I'm going to be doing is, you can see some of these are going to go off the page. I'm going to glue them down now, and then I will cut them once the glue has dried. You want to make sure that you open your glue bottle by twisting the top. You should see that white part disappear. If there's anything left on there, you might have to pick. You should hear it breathe. That means that the glue will come out. And I'm just going to take one piece, and when you glue, you don't need a lot. Dot, dot, not a lot. For each of these triangles, I don't need that much glue. I just have 4 small dots on here, and that's probably plenty. And I'm going to start just placing them in the spot. You might have to hold it for a little bit if it doesn't want to stay right away, and then I can move on to the next one. So again, when we glue, dot, dot, not a lot. And I'm going to overlap these a little bit because I want them to be a little bit closer. And I'm just going to spend my time gluing all of these things down.